You'll understand how to make money watching videos online after seeing this video. All you have to do is visit the website that I will tell you about. The domain name of this site is grabpoints.com. People can earn free gift cards on this internet site. It is a platform that also compensates users for doing specific tasks. To view their homepage, try clicking on their website. Basically, you can earn money on this site by watching videos, responding to surveys, and offers. We'll concentrate on viewing videos to make money online on this video. So watch the entire clip to find out how you may earn money online. Make sure you watch the entire video so you can understand how to use this amazing internet approach. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Consider this. Many businesses all over the world are attempting to enhance their online presence. They want as many individuals as possible to use their products. Now, you can acquire these deals through this website. You can get paid for completing surveys, watching videos, and downloading apps to test on your phone. You will surely receive payments for carrying out these easy tasks. The minimum withdrawal amount on this website is $5. You will be able to withdraw money as soon as you reach this amount via PayPal, an Amazon gift card, or free Visa gift cards. You can choose from several payment methods to redeem your money. You make money on this website no matter where you are, which is another one of its fantastic features. Many people from all around the world use this website to earn money online. You need to follow these steps to sign up for a free account. Enter your email address in this part. Then input a unique password. Once you are done, simply press the sign up button. On your account dashboard, you will see how you can make money on this site. You can answer various surveys to make some cash. As you can see, there is an unending list of surveys that you can answer, meaning there is an unlimited earning opportunity on this site. There are also special offers available on this site. Thus, you can make more from them. To view the things available to your location, click the More Offers button. You can see the category button at the left side of your screen. It will allow you to earn points and to convert those points into money. I want you to press the Watch button to start making money. The page will reload. You will see a Get Started with Video button. Below that, another button is present. Pressing it will show you the instructions on how you can make money from this site. The process is pretty simple. Everyone can do it even without any prior experience. You can choose from the options available. For example, let's choose Lootably. Clicking it will redirect you to another page where you can see the videos that you can watch. It also lists the points you can get for watching the aforementioned videos. On this website, you can watch as many videos as you like. With this website, the earning potential is truly endless, right? You can scroll down until you get tired. There are points associated with each of these videos that you can exchange for money. How incredible is that? I'll reveal some of my top secret tactics for boosting my earnings on this website to you in a moment. Keep watching and do not stop the video to learn more fascinating tips and tricks. I used another fantastic website in addition to GrabPoints to make money online. It goes under the name inboxdollars.com. Some of you have already heard about this website. This website is fantastic for people who are just discovering it. On the website inboxdollars.com, you may get paid for performing various online tasks. You can earn money by taking surveys, watching videos online, and playing games that are available for free. See, these tasks are always completed online. It's time to make money off of what we do every day by going to these websites. Reading emails and doing online shopping are more ways to make money online. This website is very wonderful. Aside from that, I can demonstrate its validity by noting that several well known companies in the retail and market research industries work with this website. As you can see, Inbox Dollars has worked with numerous well known companies like Netflix, Target, Walmart, and many others. Making money from this site will be simple. By providing a variety of jobs, Inbox Dollars enables its users to influence how their products and services are used. They also offer wonderful promotions and competitions that users can attempt to enter in order to win cash. In addition, this website offers some of the most incredible opportunities for its users to receive free merchandise from brand partners. They will explain how to get free printable coupons and other items from the internet. There are several simple ways to earn extra money from this website. To start, you need to sign up to their site by clicking the purple sign up button at the bottom of the site. While scrolling on their site, you will also see that you actually get a free $5 sign up bonus. The minimum withdrawal on their site is $10, meaning you are already halfway near from your first withdrawal. As soon as you can earn another $5, you can already cash out your money. I will now reveal to you my top secret method for making money passively from the websites I already mentioned. The next website you should visit is called AdWallet. It is one of the most incredible websites ever created, so make sure to look it up. One interesting thing I am aware of is that many businesses invest countless billions of dollars to boost engagement. They strive to attract everyone's attention by boosting the traffic and usage of their products on social media and the internet. Most of their money is taken by many internet companies. Only some cash is left for people to have. Luckily, we can change it using the AdWallet site. How will this happen? You might be wondering. Well, it's actually quite easy. You will receive rewards for watching videos from well-known international businesses. Simply spend a few minutes watching their videos to make as much as $3. Your AdWallet account can be created on a desktop or a mobile device. When you're done, your dashboard will display how much money you've made. Additionally, you'll get alerts if any new videos are available for viewing online. It is a really easy process. To make more money online, you only need to view a video, get paid for it, and repeat the procedure frequently. This is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.